So you want to know how to easily create faceless YouTube videos? Well, I made a video recently on how to start making money with affiliate marketing. And I use YouTube as a source of traffic for that affiliate offer. What made it easy is that I did not have to show my face in the video. Also, it's not just your traditional faceless video with just stock footage, which is good, but it's not as engaging as the method I'm about to show you. And the topic was about losing weight with a smoothie diet. As you can see, this is already a popular search term. And of course, that was based on this smoothie diet affiliate offer that can be found over on ClickBank. And the approach I took was simply what I did just now. I used this tool called OBS Studio, which is free to use, and you can use this to record your screen. And you can see this camera here as well, but you don't really need it. It could be like this. It could be just a voiceover where you're recording the screen and you're not seeing anybody's face. And that's it. That's all the tech involved. Oh, there was one more thing. I smashed this like button, which was the most important step in order for this thing to work. So make sure and do that. Anyway, the approach for the video that I made is I'm basically doing the research. Doing the research here and sharing it with the audience. Yeah, you. Well, not you specifically, because you're interested in how to make money with faceless videos on YouTube, right? But for the people that were interested in getting healthy and losing some weight by a smoothie diet, I tried getting them in the buying frame of mind, not by tricking them, but by giving them enough information and then letting them know that the product could be the best solution to the problem that they have. And in this case, somebody who's interested in losing weight on a smoothie diet, who's searching for that, it only makes sense to connect them with a product about a smoothie diet. That is a proven offer with results. Not only is it affordable, but it allows you to make a good commission from this. You can earn over $100 per sale. So let's first get into how this actually worked. First, I started talking about the challenge of trying to lose weight and why it's important. And while it's something that I've been interested in, it's not something that you need to be an expert in order to make a video about this. Thanks to Google. So in order to start getting content ideas, just search in Google for something like lose weight or weight loss. And look at the questions that people ask. How can I lose weight fast? What are ways of losing weight? And to get the viewer thinking why they should lose weight, search for why lose weight. And look at the questions that people also ask. Can stress cause weight loss? All of these are separate video ideas. Separate videos that you can make. And link up a product like this one in the description. But I did say the video that I made was a little bit different from the traditional stock footage type of videos. So by wanting to pitch a product like this, the video I made, I recorded my screen just like this, did some research like why lose weight? And I looked at the questions right here. What are the reasons to lose weight? Can stress cause weight loss? Also something like health benefits. So instead of somebody having to read an article, they can just look at the video I made where I would have actually walked through the article briefly mentioning some of the key points in an article like this one. How weight loss improves your health. It lowers blood pressure, lower levels of whatever this word is, triglycerides, less risk of heart disease. And I did that for some of the other articles as well, briefly mentioning some of the points. But if you notice, I didn't actually talk about a solution as yet. And based on the research that I did, there are many different solutions that could come up. And that can range from many different exercise programs and dieting programs. However, I want them to get thinking that the solution is the healthy smoothie diet. Because of course I'm pitching them a product on a smoothie diet. And remember, this is not tricking anybody. This is a product that has proven results with all of the testimonials here. So to get them thinking now about the solution, next I spoke about keeping it simple and researched the benefits of healthy smoothies. Now if you notice here, there are many ideas here already. Benefits of green smoothies in particular for weight loss. But we'll just keep it a little bit broad and search for the benefits of healthy smoothies. So again, you don't have to know anything about this here. There are articles here. You're providing legitimate information, real details that somebody would be curious about. Like look at this one. What happens to your body when you drink a smoothie every day? The table of contents has 5 health benefits of drinking smoothies, advantages, disadvantages. So somebody looking at that video would help them realize that they can help manage their food cravings. It could be a meal replacement. It increases their fiber intake. And then I went ahead and got some related information in a few other websites. Like this one here, are smoothies good for you? So we're getting them thinking that they should get into this smoothie diet. Now you might be thinking that the logical next step was just to pitch the product, but that's not what I did. After that, I gave them even more value by walking the audience through 1 or 2 home recipes. And just like the other information I presented, I didn't have a clue about a specific healthy smoothie recipe, but Google does. So if you think about it, if you're trying to come up with some healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss, just search for healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss. That's it. They even gave you a bunch of other stuff that you could search for, like best green smoothie recipe for weight loss and best strawberry smoothie recipe. I'll just go with that original search term. Click this first article, and I grabbed 2 of the recipes from here. That's it. So all you're doing is research on Google here and recording your screen doing it. This summer berry smoothie weight loss recipe links to another website here where the recipe actually exists. It's over on this blog here from Erin, who actually gave me the recipe to share with the audience. Well, she didn't give me, but you know what I mean. I looked at her article. So the viewer here now is looking at what this recipe looks like thanks to Erin. And then I just quickly went into the different ingredients that is required for this, showing that somebody can just get a few ingredients here to make this smoothie. And it even tells you the instructions. So it's not like I had to come up with any kind of script. You could just read this here, or even in your own words. In a blender, combine all of the ingredients that was mentioned right here, the Greek yogurt, the frozen organic berries. And I just repeated that process for another one of these recipes here. Wait, which one was it? I think it was a peanut butter blueberries banana smoothie. Really, because I was interested in that one. Yeah. And finally, after the audience looked at that video and they got some recipes that they could get started with, they most likely would want now some more information on something that is more proven that works for many people, especially if it's based on testimonials. And no, I did not tell them to click this link in the description to buy a product on a diet, a smoothie diet. Instead, I gave them some more value. I'm going to give them something else for free. But there's a catch to it. So what I did is I told them that they could get more information in a PDF, in a free PDF on a smoothie diet. And it has everything that they need. But more importantly, it has everything that I need. Because at the end of the PDF, as you can see here, as I'm showing in the video, that I easily made with Google Docs, this little thumbnail here in the PDF that says watch this short video and click here to watch the free presentation, that is actually my affiliate link. Because if they look at the PDF and they click that, it then takes them to this page, which is going to do all of the selling for me, making them want to buy this product. And of course, it makes sense if they were searching for something like this on YouTube, looked at the video, tried one of the recipes that I showed them, and they wanted to get more value. So the aim is that a portion of those people that decide to invest in their health would then make me some money when they buy this. And again, for that experiment, I didn't use any fancy expensive software. It was just OBS Studio, recording my screen just like this, and a voiceover. No face was needed. And based on what I've seen so far, that PDF that I gave away for free got a lot more clicks than if I just told somebody, check out this product in the description below. And you could easily set this entire thing up too. But if you want to see how I specifically got that PDF set up in a way that it was easy for somebody to access and download, then I'll show you right here how I created it and got all of the content and made it easy for somebody to download. And click my affiliate links. So I'll see you over there.